Good day, dear learners. Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Doc Gilma. Are you ready, class, for the next lesson? So if you're ready, just sit back, relax, and listen carefully to the topic to be discussed for today. Alright, class, let's begin. The topic I will be discussing for today's lesson is all about introduction to linear inequalities. What is the difference between linear equation and linear inequalities? In linear equation, class, we are to determine the exact root of the linear equation, wherein we have the equal sign. While for linear inequalities, we are to determine the solution sets of the linear inequality, wherein we simply have the symbols less than, greater than, less than or equal, or greater than or equal. So take note of that. An inequality compares two expressions using less than, greater than, less than or equal, or greater than or equal. Consider the given table here. As you can see, we have three columns for symbol, meaning, and word phrases. For the symbol less than, the meaning is simply is less than. Word phrases below, fewer than. For the symbol greater than, meaning is greater than. Word phrases above, more than. For greater than or equal, meaning is greater than or equal. Word phrases at least, no less than. For the symbol less than or equal, meaning is less than or equal. Word phrases at most, no more than. Take note, an inequality that contains a variable is an algebraic inequality. For example, 2x is greater than negative 3, 4k minus 4 is less than or equal to 8, 3n minus n is greater than or equal to 12. Consider translating word phrases into inequalities. Give the correct translation of each word phrases into inequalities. Number 1. There are at least 5 students failed in their summative exam in Math 7. Let S be the number of students who failed in their summative exam in Math 7. Take note, at least simply means is greater than or equal. So we have S is greater than or equal to 5. Number 2, there are at most 5 players of the Barangay Ginebra scored double figures against the Meralco Bolts. Take note, at most means is less than or equal. We let P be equal to the number of players of the Barangay Ginebra which scored double figures against the Meralco Bolts. So we have P is less than or equal to 5. Number 3, 8 subtracted from 6 times a number x is more than 4. 6 times a number x is 6x. So we have 6x minus 8 is more than 4. Number 4. A number x decreased by 4 is less than 10. So we have x minus 4 is less than 10. Number 5. Twice a number x less than 5 is greater than or equal to 11. So we have 5 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 11. A solution of an inequality is any value of the variable that makes the inequality true. All of the solutions of an inequality are called the solution set. Example, S is greater than or equal to 5. The solution set of S are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to positive infinity. These sets of numbers are numbers that are greater than or equal to 5. Take note of that. You can graph the solution set on a number line. The symbols less than and greater than indicate an open circle, while the symbols less than or equal and greater than or equal indicate a closed circle. Consider illustrative example number 1. Graph each inequality. Number 1. X is less than 2. In this particular inequality, 2 is not included in the solution set. So we're going to draw an open circle to 2 in the number line. Consider the number line here from negative infinity up to positive infinity. Let's draw an open circle to 2 and a line to the left of 2. Since x is less than 2, 2 is not included. Hence, the solution set of x are 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, up to negative infinity, or simply to the left of 2. So take note of that. Consider illustrative example number 2. Graph each inequality. Number 2. Y is greater than or equal to negative 3. In this particular inequality, negative 3 is included in the solution set. So we're going to draw a closed circle to negative 3 in the number line. Consider the number line here from negative infinity up to positive infinity. Let's draw a closed circle to negative 3 and a line to the right of negative 3. Since y is greater than or equal to negative 3. Hence, the solution set of y are negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, up to positive infinity. Consider illustrative example number 3. Graph each inequality. Number 3. N is greater than 0. In this particular inequality, 0 is not included in the solution set. So we're going to draw an open circle to 0 in the number line. Consider the number line from negative infinity up to positive infinity. Let's draw an open circle to 0 and a line to the right of 0, since n is greater than 0. Hence, the solution set of n are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to positive infinity. Consider illustrative example number 4. Graph each inequality. Number 4. K is less than or equal to 5. In this particular inequality, 5 is included in the solution set. So we're going to draw a closed circle to 5 in the number line. Consider a number line from negative infinity up to positive infinity. We're going to draw a closed circle to 5 and a line to the left of 5. Since k is less than or equal to 5, hence the solution set of k are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1 up to negative infinity. Before we end our discussion for today, let me first share to you a passage from the Bible, coming from the book of Matthew, chapter 7, verses 7 to 8. Ask, and it shall be given you. Seek, and you shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened to you. For everyone that asks receives, and he that seeks finds, and to him that knocks it shall be opened. Take note, class, skills are developed through constant correct practice, and there will always be a room for improvement. That's all for today. Stand by for more lessons. Stay safe, everyone, and may God bless us all.